Forward, Magana. Mike is the son of Chris and Julie Magana. Mike has been playing hockey for 13 years, last 4 with the Viking. Not married, he enjoys snowboarding, fishing, baseball, and scuba diving. After graduation, Michael plans on majoring in engineering, but the university choice is still on the air. Somewhere more would be nice. Again, Mike Magana and his parents, Chris and Julie Magana.
Some legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will remember me for centuries. Just one mistake is all it will take. We'll go down in history. Remember me for centuries.
36 and forward, Oney. Dylan is the son of Summer Lario. He'd like to give special recognition to his stepmother, Oney. Dylan has honed his hockey skills over 13 years. He's been on the ice for the Vikings for the last 4. He also bowled for Hoover during his freshman and sophomore years and is CEO of the Hoover Junior Achievement Business. He enjoys watching the Winnipeg Jets and the NHL games. After graduation, Dylan will be heading to either John Carroll or Wright State University, where he will major in international business. Again, Dylan Oney and his parents, Summer Lario.
Remember me for centuries. I'm about my teenage dreams. No, it's nothing wrong with me. The kids are all wrong, the stories are wrong. Heavy metal broke my heart.
Playing both offense and defense this year, Kyle Policicchio. Kyle is the son of Wendy and Alec Chance. A 4-year veteran for Vikings, he plays hockey and played hockey for the last 11 years. Kyle also played football for the Vikings and is actively involved in Leadership Council and Model UN. He has been involved in the Ohio Reeds, Massillon Sparks program, and helped young players through Tahoe's Learn to Play Hockey program. He worked part-time at Westfield Blair Center and currently is employed at a local farm. Kyle will be attending Ohio University and was accepted into the College of Business, where he will major in sports management. Again, Kyle Policicchio and his parents, Wendy and Dale Chance.
Bruises on your thighs like my fingerprints. This is for to match the darkness that you felt. I never meant for you to fix yourself. Some legends are told, some turn to
Right wing, Cole Rhodes. Cole is the son of Leslie Weber and Ted Rhodes, a first-year player for the Vikings. He also enjoys baseball, basketball, fishing, hunting, and four-wheeling. Next fall, Cole plans on attending Kent State University, where he will major in engineering. Again, Cole Rhodes and his parents.
gold, but you will remember me. Remember me for centuries. Just one mistake is all it will take. We'll go down in history. Remember me for centuries.
10 defenseman Alec Weber. Alec is the son of Dean and Brian Weber. Alec has been playing hockey for more than 13 years and has been on the Viking team all 4 years of high school. When he's not on the ice, Alec plays on the tennis team, enjoys playing basketball, and participates in Leadership Club, Young Life, and volunteers at St. Paul's Vacation Bible School. He also has worked at Edie's and Dad's Car Wash. Alec plans on attending either Ohio University or Kent State University, where he will major in business administration and sports management. Again, Alec Weber and his parents, Dean and Brian Weber.
Remember me for centuries.
Number 12 in the center, Ben Zalewski.
today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
Number 93, defenseman Alec Zalewski. Alec is the son of Henry and Cheryl Zalewski. A 12-year player, he has been on the ice for Vikings throughout his high school career. At Hoover, Alec is an academic letter recipient, a member of the German club, and is the teacher's aide for the German classes. After graduation, Alex will be attending the University of Magana, where he will major in Greek pharmacy. Again, Alex Zalewski, his parents Henry and Cheryl Zalewski.
Yes, parents? Yes, parents.